Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a Negroni. Okay? Hello again, Dave Allred, the real barman here. First off, I have to apologize to Italians everywhere. I know my accent is horrible, I just can't help myself. So we're gonna jump right in. We're talking about how to make a Negroni today. Let's do the ingredients first. And the reason why I had a horrible Italian accent is one of the main ingredients is Campari, which is an Italian aperitif. Aperitif meaning a before dinner drink. It kind of whets the appetite. It's kind of the alcoholic version of an appetizer. So, a Negroni gets Campari, sweet vermouth, and gin of your choice. Okay, now that you have the ingredients, let's talk about really quickly what I call the microwave history of the Negroni, a 15-second history lesson. The Negroni was invented back in 1919 by a guy named Count Camillo Negroni. He's kind of like an Italian cowboy, and he was at a bar. He used to love to drink Americanos, which is Campari, sweet vermouth, and soda water. And he asked the bartender one day in the Cafe Casoni, a bar in Florence, Italy, to kick it up a notch. He wanted a little bit stronger, so the bartender swapped out soda water for gin, and thus the first Negroni was born. Now you have the ingredients, you have your history lesson. Let's make a Negroni. So, the Negroni is a bittersweet cocktail. It's a very strong, it has 3 liquors in it, no juices. So since it has no juices, it's a drink that needs to be stirred. We're gonna put it on the rocks. Now you could put it in a mixing glass, stir it up, and strain it over ice. That's not wrong. There's not really need to do that. We're gonna go ahead and build it over ice and then stir it inside, make it nice and cold, and mix it up, and then we can give it to the guests. So the first thing we're gonna do, we'll put ice into the bucket glass. Now, I do about 3/4 of an ounce of each. You could do an ounce of each. The math is easier that way. Gets to be a little strong and a little bit heavy when you're serving 3-ounce drinks to guests. But I like to do 3/4 of an ounce, which means we're gonna do a 3 count of each of these. If you haven't watched my video on how to free pour and how to count, you can click on the card appearing right now and then come back here, or you can just watch right now. So here we go, we're gonna do a 3 count of each. Campari first, 1, 2, 3, cut. We're gonna go gin, 1, 2, 3, cut. And then we're gonna add the sweet vermouth. 1, 2, 3, cut. And then we're gonna grab our mixing spoon, wherever it went. Where's our mixing spoon? And then we're just gonna stir it up nicely. We're gonna mix up the ingredients, nice and easy. It's already gonna be chilled, it's on the rocks, it does not need to be strained. And then we come to the garnish. The original story is that the bartender put an orange slice in there. I like the orange slice okay. It's not wrong to do an orange slice. That's the original way. So you can do an orange slice. I like the orange rind or an orange peel. It's a little more subtle. I just like subtlety in drinks that have all liquor in there. So I like to use an orange shave. So I'm gonna go ahead and get an orange shave on this orange rind here. We slip it in there and it's all ready to drink for your guest. That's a Negroni right there. Yum. There you go, there's your cocktail of the day, the Negroni. Great sipping cocktail so you don't suck the drinks down too fast. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can learn more about becoming a bartender. And that's going to do it for today. I'm the real barman and I'm out. Ciao. I know, it's so bad. It's so bad. I sound like the Count from Sesame Street. 7 wonderful Negronis. Oh, 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 oh.